Okay, everything's A-okay. On my way to where the air is clear. Can you tell me how to get over there from here? How to get away day from Oma? Boozhoo! Boozhoo Nij Anishinabe Dug. And welcome back to Boozhoo Nana Boozhoo, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana Boozhoo, and this is the live stream. So it's just going to be me today. I'm not even sure what our Ojibwe word of the day should be. I'm just trying to get comfortable here. Did you see the picture? Oh, wow, that was terrible, huh, Michael? Yeah, it wasn't great. It looked like I was choking on a fishbone. You know, they do that. Oh, smile for the camera. We're going to go live. Smile for the camera. And I'm like, and that was my picture. Anyway, we're going live because I'm still trying to figure out this stuff. I don't know. How you doing, buddy? Oh, I'm doing great. Yeah, things are good, aren't they? Yeah, they sure are. La, la, la. All right. So let me get situated here. I wonder what will we talk about today? What will we talk about? Noon gom. And this is our Ojibwe word of the day. Noon gom. Today. Not tomorrow. Not yesterday. Noon gom. Today. And this is our Ojibwe word of the day. Because we're here today. We're not here tomorrow. I don't know. We might be here tomorrow. So yeah. All right. So some of the impressions I've been working on. Let's see. I can do this one's the count from Sesame Street. One. Two. Pointless laughter. I mean, why is he always laughing like that? The guy's he makes me nervous. What do you think, sweetie? Does Count Dracula on Sesame Street make you nervous? I don't think he's really Count Dracula. Oh yeah, I guess he's just the Count. He's obsessed with counting, so he calls himself Count. But, you know, he's modeled after an undead being. But, yeah, so welcome back to the show. And today, Noongum. Today is our Ojibwe word of the day. And I just wanted to stop by, see if anyone was watching. You know, we're on YouTube, so usually nobody is. And but I didn't want to go on Facebook because I was afraid too many people would be watching. And if I had nothing to say, or if, you know, anyway. So yeah, so that's the count. And then this one's the Cookie Monster. Me love cookie. It's kind of a drug addict for cookies. And then there's I also figured this out. Then there's Animal, the drummer from the Muppet Show TV show or Muppet Show band. He's like, Animal. Ah! I think it's the same actor as Cookie Monster. Me like cookie. Animal. Let's see who else. Impressions. I can do you, sweetie. Really? You can do a Natasha impression? Oh yeah. Listen to this. Really? You can do a Natasha impression? Oh wow, that's great. You sound just like me. I know. I'm great at impressions. I can do everybody on the show. I can do Anamosh. Boozhoo. My name is Anamosh. I can do oh, this is my impression of both Mukwa and George W. Bush. My name's George W. Bush. Mukwa Indigenous cause. We're the we're the protectors. Mukwa is my name. Actually, George W. is my name. We're gonna get them terrorists. Tower 7 fell from a common fire. A building a couple blocks over caught on fire, so Tower 7, fell to terrorism. And let's see who else. Oh, these are some funny bits. I should save this for Facebook. Who else can I do an impression of? Oh, this is like Bugs Bunny if he was on The Sopranos. Yeah. What's up, Doc? Yeah, that's right. We got a situation, boss. I took care of that thing, The what you call it. Who else can I do? I'm a master of a million voices. All right. Michael, your arm getting tired yet? Yeah, kind of. Okay, I'm gonna cut off, and I'm gonna sign off. I'm gonna say, I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minowa, Hoa. Which, if you're new to the channel, means I will see you again. All right. I think that's worked. Now let's end the live stream delicately. Not delicately, but with some grace so we don't destroy the illusion. All right. I'll see you later as I end the stream now. Are you sure you want to end the stream? Yes. End.